Moving or migrating one website from a server to another server is a tough part. You have to copy your files and folders, then upload it to the new server. Then you have to back up the database and restore it in the new server using phpMyAdmin or manual commands. That gives sometimes headache. So it is not that much easy to move a website from one server to another server. That is not that much easy. But in this video, you are going to learn how to move a website from a server to another server with just one click. In the left side, you can see a server. I'm using CyberPanel with open light speed. This is hosted in Germany. And the right side, this server, the CyberPanel is installed on a Lightspeed Enterprises in Singapore. So this one is a Lightspeed with a CyberPanel in Singapore, and this one is Open Lightspeed with a CyberPanel in Germany. So today I am going to move one website from this hosting into this hosting. Okay. So what you have to do, go to users, go to the CyberPanel dashboard and click on user. There is a option shows us API access. Click on that. Then select the user. Click on the access. Then click on enable and save. So now you have enabled the API access for the user admin. Do the same in the another panel, another hosting. Go to user API access, select the user, enable, save, done. So now in the both hosting, we have enabled admin with API access. Okay. What is next? Just copy the IP. Copy the server IP from here. From which server you want the site. Okay. The website is now hosted in this server. So I copy the IP of that server. It is in Germany. Now go to the backup option. Click on backup. Click on remote backup. Paste your IP and enter the password. The password of that German server. Okay, I am entering the German server password here in Singapore in the remote backup option. Okay, then click on fetch accounts. It will take some time to load. After loading complete, you can see all the websites that is hosted in another server, the server. Okay, what you have to do is just click on, just select the website, the one you want to copy from the old server. Okay, so in my case, I want to copy this website. So I selected this. Okay, then click on start transfer. That's it. It will take some time to create a backup in the first server. This process is going through API. This new server creating a backup in the old server, and then it will transfer the backup file into new server, including the database, images, everything. It includes everything, the files and folder and almost all the settings, everything. So after this moves to the new server, here the remaining process, the installation, migration, database connection, everything will done automatically. You don't want to worry about anything. That much simple. Okay, so that website is not very huge, so I think it will done within 1 or 2 minutes. I think the backup and restore completed, success. Done. That's it. So, do you think you have learned something new today? Then hit the like button. Hit the like button and hit that subscribe button and bell icon. So, all my new videos, you will get a notification and you'll not gonna miss something new to learn. My name is Sibi Paul and thank you so much for watching this video.